Married the girl, be my baby to the world, be my very own constellation. A teenage bride with a baby inside, getting high on information. Buy me a star on a boulevard, it's Californication.
Hey, what is that? Right there.
Space may be
Oh shit, that thing is huge.
but it's made in a Hollywood basement. In Cobain, can you hear the spheres singing songs off station to station? And Alderaan, not far away, it's Californication. Born and raised by those that praise control of population. Everybody's been there and I don't need no vacation. Firstborn unicorn. Cool song.
Huh?
I don't know where this trail goes. Yeah, I think we got to go that way.
Well,
Or you
we
wanna
came
go back?
from this way.
You want to go back that way? How many miles?
Yeah, well, you want to try a different spot now and just go back?
We could do that. Where are we gonna go?
I don't know, but we got to get out of the way. These people are
Oh yeah, they're trying to get.
right here.
Huh?
And then over that bridge somehow. Or we could just go back that way. That way we're kind of close to the.
Yeah, you want to try to find somewhere else to go?
I think we
Yeah, let's
should.
go. Oh, we should have went that way. Let me go back up.
Let's cross. Cross right here.
Where? Oh, yeah, but I gotta get off the curb. Oh, we can just go that way. I just want no car to smack me. Ow!
Yeah, you can just do it the easy way. How you doing? What are you at?
I am at 62.1. Alright, let's go. Go ahead, guys. Go.
Fast on a rough road, riding high through the mountains, climbing, twisting, turning further from my home. Young, like a new moon rising, fierce through the rain and lightning, wandering out into this great unknown. And I don't want no one to cry, but tell them if I don't survive, I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free.
Oh, good.
Free like a river raging strong. It's the wind I'm facing, chasing dreams and racing Father Time. Deep like the grandest canyon, wild like an untamed stallion. If you can't see my heart, you must be blind.
that shit, the pirate shit.
Dude, I like it.
Look at the pirate ship.
Oh, really?
It's so
So it's
tiny.
always there?
Yeah, so the ships don't hit it.
That's sick.
What happened? Oh, it's
It's a
buoy.
It's a buoy.